Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you a software which is very interesting for everyone, and long time later I come back in my channel. I didn't upload the video for my personal task or anything, so today I'll share with you a new software which name is Salestio. Okay, if you want to brand your e-commerce in one platform, then I think this video is best for you. Just follow my video and what I will suggest you. So its name is Salestio. I can go directly from my computer. You already seen at my dashboard. Its name is Salestio. If you want to grow your multi-channel e-commerce brand and manage all your orders from one platform, suppose you bought this Salestio software, you want to grow your business from one platform, then I think this is the best software for you. Because if you have a lot of multi e-commerce site or a lot of e-commerce business, and if you want to control it, or if you want to deliver it through one software, then this name is Salestio. Salestio will, how many benefit you will get from the Salestio, let me show you. Okay, so it's only $69 price. Here the big discount for the Christmas day. So let me show you the briefly about the software name, software information. If you want to export products to Amazon and eBay marketplace, manage all your orders from one convenient platform, avoid oversells and duplicate listings with automatic inventory synchronization across channel. Okay, so e-commerce, it's based on the e-commerce websites, because I think nowadays if you have a lot of order, or you will get a lot of order, there will be the hesitation, or there will be a lot of harding task to complete it. So you want to ease your task from this software, then you can do it easily, manage from your mobile and from your PC, because you will get app from this software. So at a glance, if you see that which best for this software, e-commerce, SaaS product, solopreneur, integration, big e-commerce, here integration, here Presta, Shopify, Shop over. Okay, so Salestio helps you sell products across global marketplaces using automated retail management tools from just one platform. It's one can drop shipping also. If you want to do drop shipping business, then you can also buy this software and you can enter marketplace easily. So you will be able to export products directly from your store to Amazon and eBay to expand your brand and start generating more sales. And if you are selling on Shopify, you will be able to connect to unlimited Amazon and eBay accounts from different countries. So here a lot of picture you already seen, or you already saw. Here you just see here that a lot of product sold from this platform easily. So I can give you some important features about the software. Salestio also lets you import orders from Amazon and eBay and manage them all from one platform. Export products to Amazon and eBay, then manage your products from one platform. Okay, from this platform you can do anything if you want to run your e-commerce business. So automate. Here now the world is like automate. If you can do your business automate, I think you will get less time. You will get less time and you can save your time easily. So another important features you seen in the dashboard, with automated retail management tools built into your stories UI, Salestio gives you everything you need to expand your e-commerce empire on autopilot. So these all the features about the software. And if you want to get lifetime deal, then go to my description link. Here you will get your link to, you will get buy and discount from my link. Okay, you'll get discount. If you follow my description, you see here a link where you can buy from here. So what you will get from this software, if you buy, you already seen at the plan and features. All feature grow lifetime access to Salestio, no codes, no staking. You don't have to know any coding. You can do easily and you can manage easily from this software. And 60-day money back guarantee you also get. So I think don't get delay, just buy from today and automate your e-commerce business easily. If you can automate your e-commerce business, I think there will be nothing, and you will get your income easily from this software. Just buy only 69 and and grab your opportunity for lifetime. So thank you very much for watching my video.